Hello and welcome to Tech Tips in a Flash with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. Did you know you can insert a watermark into a Google Doc? A watermark is an image or text that is somewhat grayed out and appears behind the text of a document. For example, you can use a logo as a watermark to show brand identity and yet protect intellectual property. Watermarks can also be added to confidential information and to indicate validity of a legal document. Let's take a look at how to do this. Go into your Google Documents and select your doc that you want to put a watermark on. We're going to select this confidential progress report, which is not real, by the way. Next, we're going to go to Insert in the top bar of your Google document, and we're going to scroll down to Watermark. Notice it opens up a side menu where you have the option to choose between the Image tab and the Text tab. We're going to go ahead and pick the Image tab and select Image so that we can find an image to use as our watermark. Once you select image, it will allow you to upload, pick from your photos, Google Drive, Google Images. We're going to go ahead and browse to pick one that's already on our computer. Here's a logo. We're going to go ahead and open it. So here we have our logo. Notice it comes in automatically faded. What you can do to this image is you can change the scale. Maybe you want it smaller. You can pick your more image options, and from this you can size and rotate it. You can change the position. There's a quick layout, so you can put it to the left or to the right. Most people like it in the center. You can recolor it. So maybe you want to make it all one color, which would be maybe a gray color. You can change the opacity. You can change the brightness. You can adjust the contrast. You can also select alternate text. This is for people who might have trouble seeing the content, so you can put a description. You can also, in advanced options, add a title. This is for when you publish it to the web. Once you have gotten that finished, you're going to come up to the X and close out here, and you're finished. So you're going to select Done. Now this is very faint, can't see it very well, so I probably would want to change that. In order to change it, once you have it already finished, you're going to double click on it, and you can scroll down and notice there's an Edit Watermark tab. So you're going to select that, and I really think I just want to go ahead and put text instead of a logo. So I'm going to remove this watermark. So once you have it removed, you can come up here and select the text option. So we're going to insert text. I'm going to type confidential, and we want to change the formatting if we want to, the font. We can change the size of it. We can change it to bold. We can italicize it. We can change the color. Most people use gray, but you can choose whatever you'd like. I'm going to change it to a blue color. And then you can change your transparency. So I'm going to make it a little lighter so I can read the text a little better. You can change from diagonal to horizontal. You can put the placement is right now behind the text, so you can put it in front of the text if you want. When you're finished, you're going to select Done. So here you have your document with the watermark in it. After you have your watermark created on your document, you probably want to save this as a PDF so it can't be modified when you share it. When you're in Google Docs, the way to do that is go to File, and when you go to Print, it gives you an option to save as a PDF. So it's that simple to add a watermark to your Google Doc. Again, you can add a logo for your school district or confidential or whatever you think might be appropriate for your document. We hope this helps, and thank you for watching Tech Tips in a Flash. Subscribe to our Byte of Tech YouTube channel to see more great tech tips.